Shopify compare at price for variants. Yes, Shopify allows you to set a compare at price for individual product variants, which is perfect for showing discounts on specific sizes, colors, or versions of a product. This feature helps you display a higher original price next to the current sale price, making your offers more attractive and increasing conversion rates. Each variant in Shopify has its own pricing fields, including price and compare at price. By editing these fields, you can highlight discounts only for certain variants instead of the entire product. This gives you more flexibility in managing sales and allows you to tailor your pricing strategy for specific items. Many Shopify sellers use the variant level compare at price option to promote limited offers or clear out slow-moving stock. For example, a clothing store might discount only certain colors or sizes. This feature integrates smoothly with Shopify themes, automatically showing the price comparison on the product page for customers to see the discount visually. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to advanced pricing tools, variant management, and analytics that help you create targeted promotions and boost your sales effectively.